Hi Isaac. Okay, we're here at Summer Ridge and I'm going to try and walk through everything. As you can see, they're still working, of course, but we're starting upstairs. So these door handles were replaced with brushed nickel. These are new as well. So if you look all the way across, you can see that the toilet paper holder and the towel bar were replaced. These guys are currently working on the angle stops. Oh, brush nickel. Brush nickel here. The guys can't turn the water back on until the angle stops are all fixed. So they're working on them now. It's kind of hard to get people to agree to work when there's no water. Okay. But they are working. So I'm going down the list now. Ceiling lights were replaced downstairs. I'm sorry for the video. Okay. Oh, this vent was painted. Of course, the banister was painted. Oh, we have new lights here. Smoke detectors. More lights. I can't recall if I mentioned it on one of the earlier videos, but the front door was painted. We have new light fixtures here. Brushed nickel. They're working on this one now. And that's the medicine cabinet. He's working on an angle stop. That's a new toilet paper holder and a new towel bar. New light. There's some more handles that they're going to be installing. Door was painted white, and we have brushed nickel here as well. I'm just going to set the camera down for a second while I just read your text and make sure I got everything. So, of course, the carpet roofing was done. Okay, I'm looking at your text, and I wanted to see the kitchen counter next to the window. I think I showed you that. Also in the bathroom, medicine cabinet, towel, toilet paper, ceiling lights. Okay, I'll show you the doors that have been rekeyed. So as you can see, this is brushed nickel. This is brushed nickel. Brushed nickel. The two doors have not been rekeyed yet, which are these two. They will be rekeyed to the same. check your text, but I think that's it. Okay, so, yep, that's it. Okay.